Hi, welcome back everybody for our RCI-69FFC4. This one's for John Cassidy in the UK, and this is a tune-up report. John, what we got over here is 100, 200, 300 watts there. Let me put it in AM. Oh look, that's a 100 watt scale, not 300. Like, there we go. Alright. Now you're going to ask me, people ask me a lot about the 200 watt, 100 watt thing. Comes from the factory at 200. I've described in my videos before that, you need a 4-to-1 ratio on your AM. So you should have 100 swinging to 4 for good AM. So I set most of my radios maxed out at 100 watts. If it's going to the UK or to Romania or something like that, they use a lot of FM. They want all the power they can get on FM. So I let them stay at the 200 watts, and I just advised to them right here on the power control, turn that baby all the way back to about 9 o'clock. See that? And it puts you right at the 100 watts. So if you're going to talk on AM, on one of these UK ones we do, just turn it back to 9 o'clock so you have good forward swing on your AM. Speaking of that,
audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check.
Okay. And we'll go to upper side band. Upper side band.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
Alright. Let's bring it on here, I guess. Oh, FM. We've talked about FM.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3.
Speaking power up.
3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. FM. 1, 2.
Put it there.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio.
All right.
How about it, Skipland? How about it, Skipland? You got a copy on 642 in Fort Lauderdale. How about a 007? How about a 007 down here in South Florida? We heard you. On the Ontario, Canada. 10-4 Ontario, you're coming down here to South Florida, Fort Lauderdale. 642 said that. I'm sorry, Canada, you're going down into the noise now. I can't make you out anymore. Screwdriver, waving a hand. You gotta find one. We're back out. How would you know? You ain't been on the radio in so long. What? How about it, Skipland? How about Vermont, it's Kitland. You got a copy on 642 Fort Lauderdale. How about a 007? How about a 007 down here in South Florida? We heard you. Ontario, Canada right now. 10-4 on the Ontario, Canada. 10-4 Ontario, you coming down here? 642 said that. 642, pleasure talking to you there. We'll lose you very shortly. I'm in a big truck here rolling east on 401. I'm sorry, Canada. You got down into the noise and I can't make you out anymore. Screwdriver, wave with a hand. You have a fine one. We're back out. All right, 649. Screwdriver. See you later. Sure didn't sound like Screwdriver. How would you know? You ain't been on the radio in so